and we're going to be showing you how to make slush at home.
To start, we're going to add 1 container or bag of the cherry Kool-Aid, which is enough to make 1 gallon of Kool-Aid. And we are also going to add 1 cup of sugar, which we use to bring down the freezing temperature so it'll freeze in our slushie machine.
As they're adding the ingredients, I'm going to be mixing everything up in this container.
And we also add 2 46-ounce cans of pineapple juice.
Another ingredient that we use are bananas. So all you have to do for this is clean and wash your bananas, peel them, put them in the blender, and then you add 1 1/4 cup of water to your mixture, and you puree them until the consistency is smooth and there aren't any chunks.
I'm just mixing this so all the sugar in the Kool-Aid mix gets dissolved into a liquid form. We pour the banana puree into the pineapple and Kool-Aid mix and mix it up really good.
Then once all of the banana mixture is added, you add 18 cups of water.
Come and see us next summer.